Welcome to Auto Pulse, the channel where we talk about real bikes for real riders. And today we're diving into one of the most trusted and widely respected motorcycles ever to hit the roads of Pakistan and many other countries, the Yamaha YBR 125. This is not a flashy superbike or a high-end performance machine, but it's something far more important for daily riders. A motorcycle that delivers reliability, comfort, fuel efficiency, and long-term peace of mind. Over the years, the YBR 125 has built a solid reputation among students, office commuters, delivery riders, and even family men who want a dependable bike that looks modern and performs consistently. In this video, we'll explore why the Yamaha YBR 125 continues to be a favorite despite rising competition, changing trends, and increasing prices, and whether it still deserves its legendary status in today's market. The legacy of Yamaha YBR 125. The Yamaha YBR 125 carries a legacy that goes far beyond just being a 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle, as it represents Yamaha's return to the Pakistani market with a promise of quality, innovation, and durability. When Yamaha introduced the YBR 125, it immediately stood out because it broke away from the traditional design and outdated engineering that dominated the local market for years. Riders saw it as a breath of fresh air, a Japanese-engineered bike that focused on smooth performance, refined build quality, and a modern riding experience. Over time, the YBR 125 proved itself not just in showrooms, but on real roads, surviving harsh weather, rough streets, and daily abuse while maintaining its performance and resale value. This bike became a benchmark, forcing competitors to improve their own models. And even today, the name YBR 125 is associated with trust, class, and long-term reliability. Design and aesthetic. When it comes to design, the Yamaha YBR 125 strikes a perfect balance between simplicity and modern styling, making it appealing to a wide range of riders. The muscular fuel tank with sharp lines gives the bike a confident stance, while the sleek headlamp design adds a contemporary touch without being overly aggressive. Chrome elements on selected variants enhance its premium feel, and the overall paint quality reflects Yamaha's attention to detail. The seat is well-shaped and comfortable, offering enough cushioning for long rides, while the riding posture feels natural and relaxed. Unlike many bikes in this segment, the YBR 125 doesn't look cheap or outdated. Instead, it carries a mature and refined aesthetic that ages gracefully. Whether parked outside an office, cruising through city traffic, or standing in a home garage, the YBR 125 maintains a clean, respectable presence that riders can be proud of. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Yamaha YBR 125 lies a 124 cubic centimeters air-cooled, four-stroke engine that is designed for smoothness, efficiency, and longevity rather than raw speed. This engine delivers power in a very controlled and predictable manner, making it ideal for both new riders and experienced commuters. Throttle response is smooth, vibrations are minimal, and gear shifts feel refined compared to many rivals in the same category. While it may not be the fastest 125 cubic centimeters bike on paper, its real strength lies in consistency and balance. The engine performs well in city traffic, handles moderate highway speeds confidently, and remains stable even during longer rides. Yamaha's engineering ensures that the engine doesn't feel stressed, even when used daily, which is why many YBR 125 owners report excellent long-term performance with minimal mechanical issues.